everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crack That Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha Das and today I'm up with a modern maths video on permutation and combination. Now this video is going to be a core concept video and I'll recommend you to go through this video before you actually start solving any PNC questions. बिकॉज कोर कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पर प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन पीएनसी क्योंकि आप ये समझ गए देन यू कैन सॉल्व एनी क्वेश्चन बट इफ यू स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस एंड देन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. सो टू अवॉइड ऑल ऑफ दैट we'll just get started with the PNC concepts, and when I say concepts I literally do not mean that I'll tell you the formulas and I'll end the video, because we all know the formulas and it very well exists in various books and internet websites that the formula comes up by NCR, which is equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial and into r factorial. Similarly, NPR is with the formula of n factorial divided by n minus r factorial only. But as I said, ये मेरा core concept नहीं है. I am not going to tell you the formula simply in the name of core concepts. I am going to tell you when to use what. So when I am going to tell you when to use what, we are going to understand the meaning of permutation and combination. तो जब भी हम combination use करते हैं, at that point we are just going to consider the selection. Let's say for an example, there are 10 people over here, and out of those 10 people, I am going to select 2 people for my present team. That means मुझे 10 लोगों में से कोई 2 लोग select करने हैं. That's very easy to do, okay? But at the same time, क्या फर्क पड़ता है और क्या फर्क नहीं पड़ता, that is important. What is the order? Okay, if you think that the order is important, like if I say that I select person A and person B, this and B and A does not make a difference. Then if it does not make a difference, if the order does not make a difference, then it will be called as combination C. Then we will write C. But अगर हमें कोई ऐसा condition मिलता है question में where we have to consider that AB or BA will be two different cases, that the order is important, then that will be called as permutation. So P will be used when we are considering the order and C will be used when we are not considering the order. I'll not stop here. I'll elaborate this. सोचिए, out of this 10 people we have to select 2 people, all right? But in this 2 people there is a condition. The condition is that I need one president and one treasurer for a society. If you people stay in flats, you must be knowing that. Okay, or if you are associated with any trust or something, there is a president and there is a treasurer, all right? So now tell me, if I select 2 people out of 10 people who can be the president and the treasurer, let's say the first condition is where I take A as the president and B as the treasurer. This is my case number 1. Now, what will happen if I flip them? Flip them in the case I make B the president and A the treasurer. Now, this is the deciding point. This is what you have to also decide. अगर आपको लगता है कि flipping them is not changing or not making a new case, then you will go with combination. But over here, what do you think will happen? If I flip B and A, make B as the president and A as the treasurer, then it will be a second case, a different case. And when the cases for these flipped positions are different, I will be taking up 10P2. That means first selection and then arrangement. I repeat, first हम select करेंगे and फिर हम arrange करेंगे. Now, there is a different way of writing it also, जो कि मैं समझाऊंगी, which is an elaboration of the formula only. And the reason I am stressing out on the formulas is because I don't want you to remember the formulas, and I would recommend, like I would tell you how to go ahead with that. But for here in this video, let us focus first on the most basic confusion, when to use permutation, when to use combination. तो I think यहाँ तक आपको काफी clear हो गया होगा that whenever you have to select and then make sure that the order is important, then we will go for permutation. याद रखने के लिए यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज माई नेम प्रियाशा परमिटेशन, यानी कि दो चीजें, ओके, मल्टीटास्किंग. वी आर सिलेक्टिंग ऑल्सो एंड अरेंजिंग ऑल्सो, and it's combination, so we are just selecting and we are not worried about whether the order is changed or not. Let's take a simple example of where the order does not matter. So if I consider a order which does not matters, let's think of chocolates. Okay, so right now I can say that here we have 10 chocolates with us and there are two places left. Okay, or you can say like I need to give two chocolates to someone. So if I need to give two chocolates from these 10 chocolates, then it really doesn't matter whether I give chocolate A B or I give chocolate B A. It's all the same, right? Because we are only concerned about giving the two chocolates, selecting the chocolates, not arranging them somewhere. ये आपको समझना होगा from the question कि आपकी requirement क्या है. If the requirement comes from the other end that you have to arrange it, जैसे कि किसी shelf में arrange करना है, you have to take the chocolates but you have to arrange it in a shelf. तो उस वक्त हमारे दो डिफरेंट केसेस बनेंगे, इफ आई राइट ए बी और इफ आई राइट बी ए. बट अगर हमें सिर्फ चॉकलेट्स लेके किसी को देना है, देन इट रियली डजंट मैटर कि हम ए बी दे या बी ए दे, यानी कि बी पहले दे या ए पहले दे. Then in that case, when the order does not matter, we will go with 10C2. So the usage of permutation and usage of combination is very much clear to all of you, I guess. This video I'll stop here only with the concepts of where to use permutation and where to use combination. But now this permutation combination series has started and these videos will be up regularly now. I'll be up with another video जहाँ पर मैं आपको बताऊंगी what happens when repetition comes in the scene or what happens when and or comes in the scene. ये भी काफी essential ही है and is one of the core concepts. So ये हो गया core concept part 1. Please stay tuned with the channel to get core concepts in different other parts as well. उसके बाद मैं questions भी लूंगी, questions भी solve करवाऊंगी and from the very basic level I'll take you to a level which you can expect in your exam. And don't really worry about it, it won't be very lengthy, it would be short. That's why I'm just cutting out this video over here. And yes, one more very essential thing which I'm going to tell you in the next video is how to use the formula effectively. Generally लोग formulas को variables के help से use करते हैं, the one which I showed you in the beginning, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. इतना करने की हमें जरूरत ही नहीं है when we can efficiently use the formulas of PNC. So I'll be up with another video where I'll be focusing on how to efficiently use the formulas of PNC so that आपका काफी time बच जाएगा in solving these questions. And remember, the reason I've taken up this series is because if you go and check out the ZAT previous year papers, आप realize करोगे कि PNC के questions कितने direct आते हैं. Like if you just know the concept, it's more than enough for you to just simply solve it, right? So इसीलिए please focus on this topic right now because only few days are left and we need to crack the ZAT in a lesser time now. So all the best for all of you who are preparing out there. Stay tuned with the channel. Please like this video if you find it useful. Share it with your friends. That would really make a difference. And for the ones who are new to the channel, please subscribe it as well. I'm up with daily videos. All right. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.